This is the most powerful power bank I've ever used. If you've been around the channel before, you must have seen the many power bank reviews we've done. This power bank is on another level. It also has a really cool feature where you pull out a tab and you have a place to stand your phone whilst it's on charge. Now let's take a closer look. Today we are looking at the INIU 25000mAh power bank. As always, link in the description box down below if you do want to pick this up. So this is everything what comes inside the box. We get a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. We have some paperwork. We have the box here. This is the model number B63. It also has 3 years warranty. We get the carry case and the power bank itself. The power bank has a power button. When you press that, it activates the LED display. We have one 18-watt USB-A port, we have 2 USB Type-C ports, one input-output and it's 100 watts. We have another which is an output and it's 45 watts. On the back here, if we push this tab out, that can be used as a phone stand. There's some information on the back here. Okay, I have some information now. Firstly, the power bank, it was on 0% battery. I charged it with my 65-watt power adapter and it took 2 hours to go from 0% to 100%. In all of my tests, I were using the 100-watt USB-C port on the power bank. Now, onto the devices I charged. I used a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, which has a 5000 mAh battery. It was on 0% and it took 1 hour to fully charge. The power bank had 69% battery left. Then I charged my Samsung Galaxy Tab A from 0% to 100% and it took 3 hours. That's the same time as my mains wall adapter. The power bank had 51% battery remaining. I then charged my Samsung S21 Ultra again from 0% to 100%. Again, it took 1 hour, leaving the power bank on 28%. Then I charged my Google Pixel 3a, which was on 12%. After 40 minutes, the power bank was on 9%. It started blinking and it just went off. I'm sorry I did not record the battery percentage of my Google Pixel 3a because at this point I was just getting bored. We're using all 3 ports now and there is no slowdown charge warning. This power bank has made our workflow a lot easier. The other day we were recording and the camera and microphone needed charging. Now, instead of using a power outlet and delaying work from cables not reaching, we just used this and carried on working. Excellent. In our opinion, every content creator should have this. If you find the video useful, a like would be much appreciated and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.